So I know it's only the first date, but do you want to come back to mine?
I'd love nothing more.
Oh my god. Is that how you sneeze?
No.
Ugh, you sound like a little girl, like a kitten being tickled, like a pixie singing a lullaby to a teddy bear.
So, do you want to head back to yours?
No way. I want to be with someone who sneezes like a man.
Stop! Are your girly sneezes identifying you as a low-value male? Do you wish you could do big manly sneezes just like Daddy used to do? Sneezes so big you felt like he was gonna blow you away to a distant land? But actually, it was him who moved away to France to be with his secret family when you were just 6. Then you need the 3-stage SLAM program to teach you how to sneeze like a man. SLAM! Just follow 3 easy steps to get your life back on track. 3 steps! Step 1. Order the Elite Nasal Starter Pack from SLAM for just $555.59. This kit contains everything you need to start sneezing more, louder, harder, better, and louder. Easy! In this kit, I have generously provided pepper-based sneezing supplement, portable dust inhaler, and dust refills. Inspirational tape of great men sneezing.
Excuse me.
A bit of cat fur to rub on your face. A sneezing trumpet. And a DVD of nature's biggest sneezers. Stage 2, repress all emotion, because real men don't cry. Real men force those tears back into their eyes to be fired out their noses like bullets. Once you've graduated from Snot Prince, past Sneeze Lord, and all the way up to Snoutmaster Supreme, Phase 3 is selling starter packs to all your friends.
Hey, bro. Have you thought about putting some balls into that sneeze?
Transfer £1,000 directly into my bank account, and I will personally spend it on a car.
Let's have sex.
And no, it's not a pyramid scheme. It's a nasal progression obelisk. Not on me, though.